Chapter 7. Life with the Giants. Gimbella makes new clothes for me, and she starts to teach me her language. She's a good teacher, and soon I can talk to her. I learn that I'm in a country called Bengal. One day a neighbor comes to see me. I dance for him, and he laughs. Suddenly he stops laughing. "I have an idea," he says to the farmer. "You can make a lot of money with this small man. Take him to the town and show him to the people." "Yes, that's a very good idea," the farmer says. "I don't like that idea," I think. "Poor Gulliver, I can't stop my father," Gimbella thinks. The next day we go to the town on the farmer's horse. Gimbella carries me in a special box with windows. I'm not very comfortable. We go into a restaurant, and the farmer puts me on a high table. "See the small man. Price 1 piece of gold." "See the funny small man. He can sing and dance," the farmer says. A lot of people pay to see me. I sing and dance for them all day and all evening. Soon I'm very tired, and I can't stand any more. Gimbella and her father take me home. For the next 5 weeks, the farmer takes me to the restaurant every day. Soon, everybody in town hears about me and wants to see me. The farmer gets a lot of money. I work very hard, and I'm tired. The farmer doesn't give me much food, and I'm always hungry. I want to go home to my wife and family. Chapter 8. Gulliver Goes to the Capital.